So this is a problem on distributivity of whole numbers. That is a property of distributivity of whole numbers. And the question is that college canteen charges ₹50 for breakfast and ₹100 for the lunch for a single day. And how much money would you spend on these for 5 days? Like for one day, for one single day, for breakfast it's ₹50, and for and for lunch it is ₹100, right? So how much money you are spending for a single day? It is, for single day it would be ₹50 plus 100, and that would give you ₹150. So this is for a single day, right? For a single ₹150. Or you can just write it like this: for a single day it would be 50 plus 100. So therefore for 5 days, it's asking for 5 days, you just multiply 5, that is 5 times 50 plus 100. Now you could see that this is something that we learned in our discussion on distributivity of whole numbers, that is the distributivity of multiplication or addition, if you remember that. And by that it would be 5 multiplied by 50 and plus 5 multiplied by 100. It's like this 5 times you will attack on first on 50 and then attack on 100. That is what we have done this here. So it would be 250 plus 500, and therefore the answer you would get is 500 plus 250 would be 750, and therefore you would say that we spend daily ₹750. This would be the amount that you would spend in 5 days. Sorry, not daily, for 5 days. ₹750 for 5 days. So you could see that here we used the distributivity. You'd say that by distributivity of whole numbers, right? And because of that we got this answer. Okay, thanks.